Hi! In front of me is XIAOMI Pad 5 and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off app notifications on this smartphone. First of all, go into settings. Now you need to choose notifications and control center. Then tap on app notifications and select one of your apps, like Chrome. Now when I click on the switcher next to it, all notifications from Chrome are now blocked. If you wish to enable them, just click on the same switcher. But you can also just tap on one of your apps and manage notifications from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!